very warm good morning to my dear students. Welcome to our science class. We have started with our revision. Chapter number 1, I have taken the test also. Chapter number 2, that is safety and first aid, I have explained to you. Today I will be sharing you the worksheet of chapter number 2, that is the safety and first aid. And I will be explaining you chapter number 3, that is housing and clothing. After explaining it, I will be giving you the worksheet of chapter number 3 also. Students, open your book. Whenever you are watching a YouTube video of the science, you must have book with you. It should be not simply like if you are watching the TV. No, you must have a book. You must have pen, pencil in your hand. Yes, open your book. Take out page number 22. Housing and clothing. House. We all live in the house. House keep us safe from wind, wild animals, strong winds, from the weather condition, from rain, from cold. Good and clean house. A good house should have doors and windows to let in fresh air and enough sunlight. Rooms in a house should be airy and well lit. Yes, in your home you are having the balcony, you are having the windows so that the fresh air it can come inside. Now let us learn how to keep a house clean. How do you keep house clean? First thing, a house should be swept and mopped every day. Second, phenyl should be mixed with water to mop the floor. This keeps the germs away. Yes, nowadays it becomes a requirement to add phenyl while we are mopping the floor. And garbage, it should be thrown in the dustbin. You should not throw the garbage anywhere in your house. Toilets, bathroom, wash basin, this should also be clean. So these are the way how do we keep our house clean. Things should always be kept at their right place. Like your books, after reading you must keep your book properly in the bookshelf or either in your bag. You must keep it in a right place. Next is clothing. So we'll be studying about the clothes and fibers. In clothing, we'll be studying about the clothes and fibers. We all wear clothes. Clothes also protect us from heat, cold and rain. In the rainy season, we used to wear raincoat. When it is very cold, we used to wear sweater, muffler, cap. We used to wear it. So, these clothes also protect us. They also make us look good and smart. Yes, if you are dressed properly, if your clothes they are neat and tidy, you look smart. Clothes are made of fibers. Fibers are of two main types. Now fibers, these are of two main types. Natural fiber and man-made fibers. Now this fibers, this is of the two types. Natural fibers, this is of the two types. First one, it is the natural and second man-made fiber. Natural fiber and man-made fiber. Natural fiber. What are natural fiber? Fibers that are obtained from the plants and animals. They are called as the natural fibers. What are the examples of the natural fiber? Like the cotton, jute. Cotton, jute. They are the example of the natural fiber. Cotton, jute. From where do you get? You get it from the plants. Cotton you get from the cotton plant. And jute, where do you get the jute? From the jute plants. The next, it is the wool and silk. These are also the example of the natural fiber, wool and silk. From where do you get the wool and silk? From animal. Wool you get from the sheep and silk you get from the silkworm. So the fibers which are obtained from the plants we can say it as the plant fiber, and the fibers which are obtained from the animals we can say it as the animal fiber. Next are the man-made fiber. What are man-made fiber? Fibers which are made by the man, they are called as the man-made fiber. What are the example? Nylon, polyester, rayon, they are the example. Nylon, rayon. Your raincoat, it is made of man-made fiber only. The ropes, they are made of the man-made fiber only. Now in summer season we used to wear light cotton clothes. Yes, in summer we used to wear light cotton clothes. Why? Because it keeps us cool. In summer the temperature it is very high, so it keeps us cool. They absorb less sunlight. And in winter season we used to wear woolen clothes. Why we used to wear woolen clothes? Because this clothes trap the body heat and keeps us warm. Dark color clothes, they are worn in winter. Why? Because dark color absorb more heat. And on the rainy day we used to use raincoats or umbrellas. Raincoats and umbrellas, they are made of the waterproof material. So that's all for today's class. Today I'll be giving you the worksheet of chapter number 2 that I have explained to you previously, and chapter number 3 that I have explained now. So students, you will be doing the worksheet of chapter number 2 and 3 in your classwork copy. You have to do it very neatly in a very good handwriting. Put the today's date on it and keep studying regularly. That's all for today's class. Have a nice day. God bless you all.